Just north of Metro Atlanta lies a serene horse farm measuring 50 acres, half of which are fenced, mature pastures, and hardwood trees. Nature enthusiasts will enjoy the wildlife of turkey and deer, as well as the 3,000 feet that lie along the Canton Creek. The area is supplied with county water and would be perfect for many scenic home sites. The exquisite barn on the property is complete with 6 stall fronts, a wash stall, tack room, and a second-story loft. The pine tongue and groove construction add to the custom design and feel of the structure. Extras in the barn include a half bath, washer and dryer hookups, as well as an under-the-counter refrigerator. Outside, you'll find a beautiful back deck, as well as a riding arena, and additional storage can be found in 2 sheds on either side of the barn. The property has 2 gated entrances, adding to the pristine of the property. All of this tranquility and beauty is just minutes away from new shopping and dining in town, making this investment the best of both worlds.